Well, it started off simple for Kyle, our guy who fitting things for us, helping repair. Started off with all he had to fit was a bilge pump, a manual bilge pump in the aft locker of the cockpit. Once we opened that locker, we found disused engine exhaust pipe because there'd been a new one put in, but they didn't pull the old one out. There was piles of piping that went nowhere. Who knows whether they were bilge pump old pipes or what they were. And skin fittings, which are the fittings that go through the boat to the outside for the bilge pump, just snapped off as we touched it. So you saw the pile of piping lying on the walk-on that we'd taken out of here.
I had been sent off to the clubhouse for the morning so I wouldn't get in the way, and to my horror, this is the scene that I came back to in the afternoon. This is the aft starboard cabin where they had to remove the panel. There you can see the diesel tank and the bottom, the underneath of the cockpit. And when we came to put that panel back and try and put the beading back, it just didn't want to fit properly. Seeing as it was late afternoon already, they decided not to install the manual bilge pump, and they tackled the cockpit drainage system, installing new drain covers and piping.
It's almost there, Mark, but it's still slightly raised, and I'm having an issue because of the chamfer on the drain itself. I need to widen the angle of the
I wouldn't get that technical actually.